am Dharani, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology in Food Technology Department. I am going to explain about microwave cooking. Introduction. During World War II, scientists found that birds coiled with radar mast would drop to the ground, becoming sizzling and well cooked. Thawing, cooking, or reheating foods by microwave oven is convenient and is becoming popular nowadays. Most of the families and restaurants would install microwave ovens for meal preparation. However, safety of microwaved food has and of course aroused some public interest. Principles of microwave cooking. Nature of microwaves. Microwaves refer to electromagnetic waves in the frequency range of 300 to 3 lakh megahertz. Electromagnetic waves are waves of electrical and magnetic energy moving through space. They include gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet radiation, visible light, infrared radiation, microwaves, and less energetic radio waves. Microwaves can pass through materials like glass, paper, plastic, and ceramic and be absorbed by foods and water, but they are reflected by metals. The heating process. Alternating electromagnetic field generated inside the microwave oven would lead to excitation of polar molecules and ion inside the food. Dipolar interaction, ionic interaction. Structure of microwave oven. Nowadays, microwave oven generally consists of following basic components: power supply and control, magnetron, waveguide, stirrer, turntable, cooking cavity, door and choke. Comparison with conventional oven. Heating process. Food cooked in conventional oven is heated by surrounding hot air, whereas food cooked in microwave oven is heated as a result of alternating electromagnetic field. Fat will be heated more quickly than water because of its relatively low heat capacity. On the other hand, food of high fat content can be heated at the temperature greater than 200 degrees Celsius, whereas food of high moisture content would be cooked at the temperature no greater than 100 degrees Celsius unless all water was evaporated. It is because water has lower boiling temperature. Chemical risk associated with microwave cooking. Cooking process, especially the high temperature ones, are known to induce the production of potential carcinogens. Heterocyclic amines, HCA, or group of compounds that are present in cooked muscle meat after high temperature cooking, such as grilling or pan frying. Polyaromatic hydrocarbons, PAH, refer to large group of organic chemical containing two or more fused aromatic rings made up of carbon and hydrogen atoms. Food processing or cooking steps such as roasting, grilling, smoking generate PAH and increase the level of PAH in the food being cooked. Microbiological risk associated with microwave cooking. Nearly all foods may be contaminated by microorganisms to a certain extent. Concerns have arisen regarding whether microwave cooking can kill the food-borne pathogens as effective as conventional method, since microwave cooking generally requires shorter times and may sometimes result in lower temperature at food surface. A result of many studies concluded that the effectiveness of microwave cooking in killing microorganisms and spores is comparable with conventional method. provided that appropriate temperature and time are reached. The same temperature time relationship applies to both cooking methods, that is, it is generally advised that raw animal food should be heated to a temperature of at least 75 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds to kill any foodborne 12 pathogen that may be present in the food. Nutrient loss associated with microwave cooking. Proteins, lipids, vitamins, minerals. Thank you.